Who is this? Like, who sent you here?
Nobody sent me here.
How do you know where I live?
It's me, baby. It's me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. Today I'm going to show y'all how I dyed and installed this Wild African wig. And if you'd like to see that, just stay tuned and keep watching. So some details on this hair. This is a body wave wig from Wild African Hair. It is a 13x6 HE lace, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it is 22 inches. It also comes with an adjustable strap as well as 2 combs at the top and a comb at the back. So this is me with the wig on, and child, it's giving Scalpiana. When I tell you I didn't do anything to this wig, this is just how it came. Like, this is crazy to me. So now I'm going in with my 2 even sprays in Active and Supreme, and I'm pretty much just spraying it on the lace to create a barrier for it, so when I apply the dye, it doesn't seep through. I'm also going in and combing the hair after each spray, so when it dries, it doesn't stick to the lace. Now I'm going in with the Revlon Color Silk Box Dye in Natural Blue Black. I'm just mixing it per the instructions, and then I'm going to start applying it to the hair. As y'all can see, I'm also separating the hair section by section and applying the dye. I'm only doing this really because I want to make sure that every single strand is coated, as well as I'm combing through the hair to make sure that the dye is evenly distributed. So as y'all can see, for the hair that's attached to the lace, I'm being much more light-handed. In certain sections, I even started from the ends to the root. And I'm also making sure that I'm applying the dye about 1.5 inches before the root, so no dye will seep through the lace.
"20 minutes later."
Now after washing out the dye, I'm going with the Bio Silk Oil and the IC Fantasia Heat Protecting Serum before I blow dry. After blow drying, I'm literally just trying on the wig. I'm also showing you guys where the wig stops on me because it was described as 22, but it's definitely longer than that, which I like.
1 hour later.
Now for the actual install, I'm just going in with alcohol on a cotton pad and I'm wiping away any excess oil and dirt from my hairline. I'm throwing the wig on, and now I'm going to start separating all the hairs that's attached to the excess lace that I want to cut off. So I found a random wig cap, and then I'm going in with the Erica J Hold Me Down spray, and I'm just going to start my ball cap method, which is not extravagant or super nice, so y'all could just kind of watch. I'm also going in with the 2 even sprays that I had already been using. I wanted to use her actual glue, the actual Erica J glue, but I could not find it for the life of me, so I just ended up using even spray, and I would say it works pretty good if you're not looking for like a super duper long install time. Like if you're looking for like maybe a couple days or even a week, I would say this is decent. So at this point, I'm still cutting off excess lace and hair. I'm really just trying to make sure that the wig is fitted to my head shape and my hairline the way that I like it. So now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Bronzer Sunstalker in the color Thick Mint, and I'm applying that all over the ball cap just so it can match my complexion. Then I'm taking a cotton pad with alcohol on it and I'm just wiping all that excess makeup off. And then I'm going in with the 2 E-band sprays, and they're pretty much going to act as the adhesive for this install. When I tell you the E-band sprays literally work wonders, it was so sticky and tacky that all I needed to do was plop the wig on and just blow dry it in place. Like, I did not use the wig band at all for this install. So now I'm just going in and I'm cutting off the ear tabs. But when I tell you, like, this lace is so thin and see-through that, like, y'all gonna see right here, it literally looks like scalp. You can't even tell I'm cutting lace. At this point, I was 2 hours late for an appointment, so I'm rushing, right? So all I did was literally part the wig, use a little bit of wax stick, use my hot comb, sprayed a little E-band spray on the part, and kept it pushing. So it really wasn't a proper initial install of the wig. And I ended up coming back a couple days later and showing you guys how I got that final result that you guys saw in the beginning.
2 days later.
At this point, it's been 2 days since I had the hair installed, and within those 2 days, I did go ahead and add baby hairs to one side of the wig. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I add baby hairs to the other side. I start off by cleansing the area with a cotton pad that has alcohol on it. Then I go in with the 2 E-band sprays, and I'm just melting the hair down. I'm going in with more alcohol and a Q-tip, and then I'm just cleansing the area where the lace has lifted. I'm using more E-band spray just to make sure my edges are melted, but it was a faces for me. Like, I was trying so hard to be quick because I was rushing for work, but I ended up going in and plucking the hairline just a bit more because it was looking a little dense. And then I started working on my sideburns. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch. But I did go in with some Eco Styler gel just to gel it down. I pretty much did the same thing for the edges, except I did go in just to pluck it a little bit more, but that was about it. I spritzed the edges with a little bit of E-band spray just to keep it in place. And now I'm styling the hair. I'm just cutting layers into it. Y'all don't be afraid to cut these wigs. If you're like not as experienced, I would definitely say start from the bottom and kind of work your way up slowly, but it's literally just hair. At this point, I'm running my straightener through it a couple times. It didn't get like super duper straight, but I was rushing and I had to be at work, so I just kind of made do with what I had going on. I hope you guys liked it though. If you made it to the end, you were a real one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.